In this tutorial, let's make text flicker effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. Alright, so we are in the edit tab. So without dragging and dropping anything, let's directly go to the fusion. Let's select text. So we'll get text 1 and media out. Alright, so let's select text 1 and change the font to Poppins black. Okay, so let's add our text. All caps. Let's increase the text size to this much, and now let's go in the shading, enable the red outline and change the thickness to 0.005 and color to white. Okay, right click on this box and select follower. So we will enable the modifiers. Let's go in the modifiers and in timing change order to random but 1 by 1 and delay to 4. Okay, so let's go in the shading. Okay, so let's make a keyframe on opacity. Alright, so I will change the opacity to 0 and go on the 4th frame. I will change the opacity to 1 and I will go on the 8th frame. I will again change the opacity to 0. I will go on the 12th frame and change the opacity to 1. Alright, so I will go in the red outline and I will animate the opacity same as solid. I will create a keyframe, opacity to 0 on frame number 4, opacity to 1, frame number 8, opacity to 0, frame number 12, opacity to 1. Alright, so let's do some magic now. Let's click on keyframes. Let's select this keyframes, press Ctrl and drag this keyframes on frame number 16. Alright, so let's select this upper keyframes and drag this to frame number 3. Okay, so we'll get this kind of flicker effect. Let's close this keyframes. Alright, so to make this flicker effect look real, let's go in the spline, check on text 1, zoom to fit, click here, Ctrl A and let's select this preset step out. So we will get this kind of choppy looking flicker effect. So let's add a glow to sauce it up. Shift space, glow, add another glow, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's change the glow size to 200 and glow to 0.2. Let's add another glow, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, glow size to 1000. Alright, so let's add a background. Let's drag and drop this background node. Let's deselect this node and attach to background. So we'll get a merge and attach this merge to media out. So let's select this background and change the color to dark blue. So let's go in the edit. This is text flicker effect in DaVinci Resolve. This effect looks absolutely sick. Make sure you add this effect in your videos. My name is Amey and I will see you in the next video.